Our starting point was about our communities, not about the council as an organisation. So we wanted to make sure that any digital strategy that we put in place was about tackling exclusion from services. The benefits to the council, whilst they're important, are not the prime driver for our activity.
Newport City Council is a great example of how Digital Communities Wales can support organisations and clients across Wales. We've done a few things with Newport City Council. We've supported the digital inclusion element of their digital strategy. We've also trained staff and volunteers to support their Digital Friday sessions within libraries across Newport. This has also included training Office for National Statistics staff, which come in to support that initiative. We've also created Get Newport Online, which brings partners together from across the city to deliver digital inclusion across Newport.
We hold the Digital Friday sessions across the city. Attendance varies session to session because they are run on a drop-in basis.
It seemed to help me with my laptop. Before, I never used to know how to use a touchscreen laptop.
We had a little notebook where we were writing down the steps of what she needed to do so she could go away over the Christmas period and try and work on her skills a bit. I think her words were she's got enough to see her through Christmas till the new year.
The people that take the lessons are interesting and they can help you with whatever you want to learn.
We provide about 800 different types of activities. We've got probably 4,500, 5,000 staff, trying to ensure that as an organisation we become more digitally enabled is really important. So, for instance, we provide much more training online now. We're also going throughout the organisation trying to ensure that different service areas actually use technology more effectively. A couple of examples, for instance, we're doing a pilot with our social workers at the moment to see how they can, when they're visiting people, they can use technology more effectively to take notes from visits.
As Cabinet Member for Community Services, Skills and Work, I oversee digital use within Newport, and I'm very happy to promote the use of that digital inclusion in Newport and to help people that are perhaps disadvantaged in that way to get online, to help anybody to get online. We are fast moving into an age where we need to be online with channel shift in different areas in Newport and offer so many areas in Newport that people can access our facilities and hope they do it from here on in.
It's just part of everyday life, and if the people who can't access that, then I think it's part of the council's responsibilities to be helping people.
It's really easy to use. We come in, go on the computers, quickly log in, log out.
Come in, pay council tax and then jump on a bus and go to work. It's a one-stop shop. Everything is here on the doorstep.
I definitely encourage people to come here.
I think the difference it's made to our communities is that we're able to ensure that people are able to be involved. So for instance, the Wi-Fi coverage that we've given in the city centre and our public buildings, it just means that people are able to engage us and contact us and use our services. Much more engagement is taking place through digital means. So from our perspective, what we're trying to do is ensure that we've taken an organisation-wide approach to it. We still have a way to go with it, but we've made huge strides in the last couple of years.